Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. So you guys can hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So we were discussing exits, right?
User
So
exits.
customer exits we were
Exits.
discussing. Okay, we were discussing customer exits. So yesterday, what did we do? We discussed about how do we find any customer exits available for T codes, right? Any doubts in that with two methods we discussed, S mode and call function method? Let me just give you a quick recap. How does that work? If you remember, we were finding the customer exit for T code VA01, right?
Yes.
So first what we have to do, system से status पे जाओ. Then you have a program here, program screen, program GUI. And यहाँ पे screen पे click करो and go to you object directory entry. Then we get the package. Once you get this package, go to smod T code, smod, and यहाँ पे utilities find. Then put your package in package वाले field में package डालो VA and then execute. So you will see complete list of customer exits present for VA01 related to
Yes.
sales order creations. Okay. So this was
Yes.
one method we discussed. There was other method with which what we did, we put a breakpoint on call function, call customer function. So with that function model, we will get a exit names. So if you can remember, inside program we used to get 002, 004 and everything. So all that you have to find. So if you want me to go check once again, let me go to customer exit slash o SVA01 I'll do. So यहाँ पे आके slash h करो. Slash h से debugger switch on होता है. Then order type I'll use ZA01 and plus enter. So once you do this, यहाँ पे break points करके option है. यहाँ पे फिर इसमें break point at particular position. Then we tried to put in function model, but हमको काम नहीं किया. So what did we do? We did एक कॉल फंक्शन स्टेटमेंट्स पे जाके हम लोगों ने कॉल फंक्शन मॉडल इस पे जाके सेट किया डिबगर. ओके.
Yes.
सो द ब्रेक पॉइंट गॉट सेट. सो डायरेक्टली मैंने एफेट किया तो वी हैव कम टू दिस पोजीशन. सो यहाँ पे 004 is not a our customer exit. You'll have to keep on finding it कि how many customer exits we will get it. So अभी 004 पे यहाँ पे क्लिक करोगे तो program will get open. So when I double click on 004, this will be your customer exit. What is this? Field level modification in the sales. So I don't want to go for this. I'll press again effect. Let me just see other than 004 what else we get. One more time. One more time. One more time. So maybe there is also a possibility that So this time, and I click on this. And when I click on this, it is showing me the same field level modifications. Okay. So again, I'll press 00 F8, F8. Then we have come to 002. So for 002, that was a different function model. So again, I'll go here. This time I'm just checking how many user exits we can get from here. So this is something like 002, but this is 04. If you go see here, this is sold to party related user exit, customer exit. So let me just go back and I'll press again F8. Again F4 004 trigger. Again F8 I did once more. Other than 004, no, nothing. Right, call function 901. Let me go to this one now. What is this related to? Let me see. 901. I think this is 901 is related to customer exit number conversion output start. This is something related to the number range. Okay. So let me go again. 901, 901. And just keep on pressing F8, F8. So if you don't want to go anymore, then just remove this debugger. So it will ask all instance dynamic breakpoint is removed from all the instance. Now I'll do F8. So we'll come out of the debugger. So now inside the debugger also we found the user exit which was relevant for us, which is this one. So let's just understand now what is the use of customer exit, particularly the application. As I always say, use is always same as we are modifying something on the standard level. Okay. So any doubts in this? How to find user exit or customer exit?
No.
Okay. So give me a moment, guys. Just 1 minute. Somebody is at the door.
कोई भी नहीं चाहता कि ऐसे इतना बड़ा मुकाबला में सिर्फ बारिश हो रहा आगे निकले और यस जैसे आपने बोला इट्स नॉट बारिश अगर बारिश हुआ तो भी ठीक है हिंदुस्तान की तरफ से देखे जाए तो यस ब्रिलियंट विकेट करना अगर अगर जीत के जाएंगे इतना अच्छे टीम को हरा के जाएंगे और बहुत अच्छा रहेगा
Hello.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So any doubts? Did you get there? Process wise, सब कुछ clear है?
Yes. No.
Steps wise, like how do you find it? So utilities, find package name. I have given it very clearly. Okay. So let's just implement it. Okay. So I am just trying to use this user exit only. So what is the use of user exit? What is my requirement now? Let me explain. So whenever I'm just clicking, okay. So whenever I just try to create any order, I want my sold to party to commit automatically. Suppose something like 1390, something was there, right? टेबल पे जो मतलब जो वैलिड है वही डालने डिफॉल्ट करने का, अदरवाइज यू कैन नॉट पुट समथिंग 111, तो वो सिस्टम लेवल एरर फेंकेगा कि सोल्ड टू पार्टी प्रेजेंट ही नहीं है वाला. ठीक है. सो वीबीएके is a header table. I think here I have sold to party again. 2200 I can give. So what I will write? I'll try to, whenever I just click on enter after this screen, तो यहाँ पे 2200 already दिख के आना चाहिए. That is
Yes.
one derivation it is called. Enhancement I'm doing. Okay, you have a requirement that I want only sales order to be created only for single source party. So that is what we'll try to implement. So how do we implement it? Okay. So if you go here, go to first transaction C mode. Go to C mode. So what is next? Provide a project name and click create. Here you have to create a project name. So project name has to be a Z project. So what I'll do, Z customer exit. Okay, yeah. Customer exit. Let me just see if it is already there. No, it's not there. And click on create. So you get customer exit implementation for BA0. With the name, click on create, click on enhancement assignment. Once you give the short text, enhancement assignments, click on enhancement assignment tab and provide the customer. Save, etc. Local. So when you click on enhancement assignment, you will come to this screen. So now
Yes.
this is an important. So यहाँ पे, so if you see here, you have to give that exit name here. So exit names you got it here.
Yes.
Yes, this name you have to give it there. So suppose I have this one, so I'll copy paste that value here. I'll click enter. So it will
Yes.
be predefined function module name. So once you give this, what is next? Click on components tab
Step.
and it shows the various. Click on components tab. It shows various function module exits available. Correct. So once you give this, click on components tab. You want to say yes. Okay, यहाँ पे whatever how many are they, यहाँ पे तो अभी one है. Some cases there will be multiple exits available. Okay, so those all exits will be seen here. Okay, so multiple exits will have a module is exits available. So it will show the various function modules what are all available inside this particular area. Okay, so double click on the required function module and navigate to the function module and write a Z logic inside the Z include of that function module. Activate the project. So double click on this one. We will come to the same exit name which you got in a debugger also. Remember?
Yes.
So
That.
here यहाँ पे क्या करना है? Just double click on this. Most of the time when you double click ना ऐसा ही होता है. So just click on this and press enter. Okay, it should come something like this. Okay, you want to create an object? Yes. Okay, let me go to the locals.
No.
Oh, okay, I think somebody has already implemented. Is it open already? Suppose that equal this topic is deeper here. For example, so if it is already logged in other request, so you will have to use the same request. You cannot save that to the local. So what is the package for this? Use the package. We have to delete from this or something. Try to delete from this here so that I can make use of it. Where is that? That one. That is also not created. It's not created also. Okay, that is right click. And give it right one more. There is a problem as well. This is the problem. So whenever it comes to PRs and all, it becomes difficult. So let me just try if we can use any other. So this is for sold to party and update the purchase order no reference collector or the customer function. Copy checking determine alternative materials for a product selection. So this is product selection. Let me just check on this. Requested is enter materials sales unit something. Export. Nothing is try inside that only. Try to use this here. But what is the package you have to find? रात्रि not allowing. Right.
We can take another.
No,
This one.
if it is loaded in that TR, you cannot take it again in some other TR. Problems, objects. I think I can release from here.
ಪೂರ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ತೋಲ್ ದೂರ ಹೋಗಿ ಗೋಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ತೋಲ್ ದೂರ ಹೋಗಿ ಗೋಲ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಸೇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದ ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ಬಂದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್
When TRs comes into picture, it's always very, very problematic. Getting creative by the time. Who is using 48? You have, what is the user ID for user?
1 second. Oh, 74.
And Ashish?
checking. So 94 user 73.
Oh, sorry, I'm talking on the mute. I'm just trying to use something else only. That will such things happens. So there is one more with which are like we from sales order we can update the purchase requisition. So if you see we need to pass all this data, I believe. Let's go SC69 purchase requisition table is EBA. This is the table. For this what all we need? Purchase requisition number and EBLN purchasing document number, item number, field name. This might have some validations and all. So we propose SD customer function cross company code update sales document from configuration in market effective type sales. Okay, it also not. Let's just find for let us find for T4 some other T4. BA01 it's like Okay, system status program. Go to object directory and say what is the package, it's any. I go to small again. Slash small. Utilities find. Which any. Okay, there's so many. So if I try to use this document, but I want to use the simplest one. Control import data, enhancement to print program. User subscription additional data option. User execute source determination. What is it? Number range. Customer specific source determination. Role determination for release purchase tracking defines credit line types. Determine release delivery. Enhancement to document overview. Default quantity calculation over undelivered items. User receipts for EDI inbound. Number range, control import data, customer pays, change document, monitor, relevant text exits, relevant text exists indicator vendor address, field selection for vendor address. Secure export mapping tables, mapping changing, field selection. Did you have anything like field selection? Vendor address, where is it on the screen level? Vendor address is this one. This is the vendor name. And where is the vendor delivery invoice? Okay. So maybe this. Default delivery addresses. Okay, so where is the selection of storage location address and dependent on item data? What is the MMDA? Is it
again whatever is all about
LFDNR? It is sequential address number in ADRNR is an address number. Okay, it is sequential address number. I don't have any there. User exits for generation of release order. Actually, this was the best one to really understand. Explanation was a bit big. This PR package, at least let me find one minute. Right. It's not this. What's that? Package 9. Okay, let me just try to create this. Okay. Right. So what did we do? We just saved in the same TR only. I just found the package of that TR. Not to worry now. Okay, what I'll do? Let me just save it here. Activate before we do anything. Okay, let me just come here. Defaulting the sole party to 2200, right?
Yes.
So what is the field I want to default to? So if you go, the fields that you want to default now, you will get it here. Go back. So import, these are the import values, and export Kunnar. So in exporting whatever the field is there, this is your sold to party field. So in this
Mhm.
field, you have to set the value as
Oh,
2200. Now what I'll do? Kunnar E_Kunnar is equals to 2200. Or maybe I think we have to give with leading zeros. Suppose that कभी पे हार्ड कोड वगैरह कर रहे हैं ना, तो ऑलवेज वी हैव टू बी केयरफुल फॉर पीपीके continuous sold to party. I'll give 2200. Double three sold to party. With this value I have to do it. Unconverted value देना पड़ता है. Control activate. So once you activate this, you did not activate everything. Now go back. This is still in red condition. So you have to activate here also. So let me just go here, change and activate this project. So once they are
Yes.
green, that means your project is activated. Go back, and from here also activate your project. Okay, project is activated. Now again, if I go inside and see assignments, components, here everything looks fine. So now I'll just try and go to my decode slash and VA01. Okay. Okay, and if you want, you can put also some condition like what type of
If that's
suppose
why
you
I
have a
just
condition like for ZA09 you want to default it to 22. If there is some other order type, something like that also you can achieve. But for now I just kept it very open. I'll open it. See,
yes.
this was the whole requirement. So you can still give a condition on this. Like, let me just make it more protected now. If something written without condition is always bothers. If I give Sai Union, I'll give my ID, just like that is my ID. 94, 94 user 53. And it's okay. So if I am creating, it should be always same. If you try to do the same, it won't be the same. Okay, so again, I'll try to create, it shows you now. Okay, so if I keep 48 now, let me just keep checking. 48, and now I'll again have to create VA01 and I'll click, it will not show to me. See, getting? So because I gave a condition that 48 वाले user को ही ये 2200 दिखना चाहिए. If I make the change of 53, which is my ID, this here, I activate it, I'll go back on VA01, I'll create it. It's not activated. Achha, 453. No, it's only 53. Activate. Go back. VA01. See, now it has come. So something on depending on conditions we have to do. Suppose I have a requirement like not defaulting it to what I can do. I want to just otherwise let me just put a breakpoint in this. Let me see what all values we are getting inside it here. Maybe it will trigger now itself. Okay, before we go inside that we call screen, it is triggering. Ideally, then everything will be blank because you did not enter only inside the screen. So only e-corner you can make it default. If you want to, what is VKGRP? What is this VK? Let me just try VKORG, what I can give. Sales or 1000. Let me just see if I can give 1000 here. So does that make 1000 किधर है पर so
That's
sales और किधर है sales और sales और हाँ so sales of is 1000 here.
press order.
So if I try to give back, go back again. No, I'll try to give sales or gas. Not here. I'm just trying with multiple condition what all we can change. Correct? So I'll make it as 2000. So 2000 sales organization है भी या नहीं किसी को पता नहीं. Let me go back. It's all 1000. There are any other more than 1000? No. Let me just do them. Let me just do 2000. I'll click on enter. Header. It's not taking. That means 2000 is not at all in the system. That's why it is not taking. Clear? So this is used for defaulting to party value. This customer exit. So this is the only small program we have written. So you can try using the same function model or achieving any other requirements. Here, guys,
Yes.
how do we find customer exits? Creation and all logic wise don't worry, but this value should be always same something like this only. But process wise understand this. Explanation, detailed explanation, everything I've mentioned in the this PPT. You can go ahead and try. Any doubts? Ashish, can't see your voice.
Right.
Are we good to close the call then?
Yes.
Okay, thank you for joining, guys.
Yes. Thank you.
Let me just stop the recording.